Okay, well, we're going to continue working with operations with matrices. And this time we're being asked to multiply a matrix by a scalar. Now, this is very similar to the distributive property. In fact, that's what it's most often going to relate to. And what we mean by a scalar, let's look at what we got here. We say if t, and t is equal to this matrix, 8, 0, 3, negative 2, 1, negative 4, negative 2, and 9. Find negative 4t. And this negative 4t, this negative 4 I should say, is what we call a scalar. And we can multiply by a scalar. So let's see how we might go about doing that. Let's see. I'm going to rewrite this a little bit. I'm going to put this as negative 4. I'm going to draw my brackets. And I've got 8, 0, 3, negative 2, negative 1, negative 4, negative 2, and 9. That's what's in my matrix. And I'm simply just going to multiply this negative 4 by each term in the matrix. Just one right after the other. So let's see what we got. All right, so I'm going to multiply negative 4 times 8. That's going to give me negative 32. And negative 4 times 0, well, of course, that's just going to give me 0. And negative 4 times 3, well, that's going to give me negative 12. And negative 4 times negative 2 is going to give me a positive 8. Negative times a negative equals a positive. And now I'm going to multiply this negative 4, or distribute this negative 4 along row 2, second row of the matrix. And I got negative 4 times negative 1, well, that's going to be 4. And negative 4 times negative 4, well, I still got a negative times a negative, and so that's going to give me a positive 16. A negative 4 times negative 2, another negative times a negative, is going to give me positive 8. And negative 4 times 9 is going to give me negative 36. Put my little brackets around this thing, and boom, I have multiplied by a scalar. Now that corresponded to page 173, example 3, multiply a matrix by a scalar. Not too bad. It's like distributive property. Multiply the scalar by everything in one row, then drop down to the next row and multiply by the scalar every term in the matrix, every element in the matrix in the next row, and so on and so forth. Fortunately, this time we only had 2 rows to deal with, but that's multiplying a matrix by a scalar.